In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to effortlessly add PayPal payments to your website on Webflow. This is an essential part of setting up your e-commerce website because it enables you to securely receive online payments. Begin by launching your project inside Webflow Designer. This is the tool that allows you to customize your website and integrate various functionalities, including payments mechanisms. It comes with an intuitive interface and a host of compelling features that make it stand out, especially for those who are not quite friendly with codes. After you have your project open, make your way towards the Settings section. This is located on the main dashboard and serves as the control center for all your website's functionalities. Inside of Settings, you must seek out the e-commerce option, which is tucked away within the left-hand menu. E-commerce is a section in Webflow that deals specifically with online sales activities on your website, including payments, shipping, and more. Next, you need to zero in on Payments section within the e-commerce menu. This is where you will find assorted payment options suitable for a variety of businesses. And since we are interested in integrating PayPal, you should go ahead and look for an option that says Connect PayPal. Locate it and give it a click. As you click on Connect PayPal, the system will attempt to link your Webflow project with your PayPal account. At this point, you will be met with a prompt requesting you to log into your existing PayPal business account. Now, it's important that you have a PayPal business account because personal accounts may not have permissions for all features required. So, ensure to log in using your business account credentials, and when prompted, authorize the connection between Webflow and your PayPal account. When you have successfully authorized the connection, PayPal will show up as one of the payment options on your Webflow e-commerce checkout page. This will enable your customers to conveniently and securely pay for your products or services using PayPal directly from your website. That's about it. You have managed to integrate PayPal payments into your Webflow website. This process is relatively simple and doesn't require any kind of coding knowledge, making it suitable for all. Now, sit back and watch as transactions roll in effortlessly through the most widely accepted online payment method, PayPal. This can potentially elevate your business by attracting more customers who prefer to pay via PayPal. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. I hope it was beneficial and easily digestible. For more helpful guides and how-tos, stay tuned and keep exploring.